Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Beauty.
A hair serum can truly be a lifesaver, especially if you're struggling with frizzy or extremely dry hair. And it should definitely be a part of your hair care regime. Never used one and not exactly sure what it does? Then you've come to the right place because today I'm going to share with you the right way to use a hair serum. Squeeze out the excess water after you've washed your hair. Take a few drops of serum on your fingertips and rub them together. This helps seal in the moisture and minimizes product wastage. Now run your fingers through your hair. Start from the ends because that's the part of your hair that tends to get dry the most, and slowly move upwards. Make sure you apply it only on your strands and not on your scalp. Serums are usually oil-based, so they can make your scalp really greasy and weigh your hair down. If you're planning to blow dry your hair, then go right ahead. The serum acts like a protective layer and keeps the heat damage to a minimum. If you still feel that your hair is a little dry after the heat styling, then you can definitely use a little more serum to condition the split ends and also take care of the flyaways. Just scrunch up the hair a little while you apply the serum and you'll be good to go. Just like your shampoo, you don't have to use your serum every day. You can use it twice or thrice in a week and you'll start to notice that your hair is much softer and easier to manage. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Also, check out the POPxo shop. We have laptop skins, cushion covers, mugs, phone covers and a lot more. So make sure you check out the link in the description box below. And for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Beauty.